Welcome to Tech World channel guys. Today I will show you higher front load 10.5 kg washing machine. At first just turn on the main switch. Now here at the top you can see control panel which is fully touch system. And here you can see the door. That's it. It's direct motion washing machine and 5 to 5 drum. You can see the drum is very big size. So you have to just put your dress here. Now I will do it. And you can see it's done. Now just close the door. Now after turn on the main switch, you have to power on your machine. Here you can see the power button. It's not button, it's just a touch system. You have to just press and hold here. And you can see it's turned on successfully. Now after power on the machine, you have to put detergent here. At the corner you can find detergent drawer. You can use liquid or detergent powder as you preferred. Now I just use liquid. You have to put your liquid on this compartment. If you want to use softener, then you have to put your softener in this compartment. That's it. Now just close the drawer. Now here you can find so many wash: cotton, mix, allergy care, quick 15, delicate, refresh, baby care, bedding, spin, self clean, and you can use any washing mode as you prefer or want. Now I will use quick 15. You have to just move the wheel, then you can change the mode. That's it. You can see I just select quick 15 and here you can see start or pause option. If you want to start your wash, you have to just press here and that's it. Now the wash is start and after 15 minutes the wash will be complete. Remember that you cannot put dress more than 2.5 kg on quick wash mode. You can maximum put 2 kg dress on the quick wash mode. Here you can see a demo video of higher front load 10.5 kg washing machine. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.